The world runs on coffee, a $400 billion global industry. But behind every cup is a complex journey from farm to table. At Arya.ag, India's leading integrated grain commerce platform, we understand coffee's unique nuances. We offer a comprehensive suite of services tailored to the needs of coffee growers and traders. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of coffee from fields to your cup.
Good morning. Myself Anil Somarpet Sitara, Director of Hangal Coffee Exporting Private Limited. We are one of the leading exporters of green coffee beans from India. Karnataka produces approximately 70% of the coffee, and out of that 50% of the coffee is grown in Kodagu district. So since we are in the heart of the coffee growing region, we will be able to source the best of best coffees and export it to our markets in Europe, Middle East, US, Canada and Australia. We are now standing in a coffee farm, and what you are seeing is a coffee bush. In India, predominantly two varieties of coffees are grown, Robustas and Arabicas. We grow around 5 million bags in total, out of which 4 million bags will be Robustas and 1 million bags is Arabica. And what you are seeing now is a Robusta plant. This plant is roughly of around 10 years of age. Once you plant it, the yielding starts from 4th or 5th year onwards. And 7th year onwards, it will be fully grown up plant and the yield will stabilize. And this is a perennial crop. Once you plant it, it's for like say 40 years or 50 years, 40 to 50 years what we can say, the economical yield of the plant. After that, the yield slowly starts declining and economically it becomes unviable. Along with coffee, there are many alternate crops which are grown like pepper, avocados, bananas and also sapotas. These are the 4 or 5 main alternate crops which we grow in the coffee farm. And in India, the coffee is always shade grown. We regulate the shade up to 60 to 65% so that we get uniform yield year on year basis. The crop wood as well as the yield both are stabilized in a plant so that yield won't fluctuate much year after year. What you see now, the coffee has just blossomed and you see the crop has been set in. So the yield, every year we harvest the crop during December to March, 4 months. The initially Arabicas we will be starting harvest from Arabicas and later on Robustas at the later of the year. Once we harvest the coffee, we have got 2 ways of processing it. Either dry it directly under the sun, what we call it as cherry coffee, or we pulp it, that is remove 2 beans from a single fruit and then wash it, which happens at the farm level, and then dry it under sun. So in India, the coffee is always generally sun dried. Nowadays, because of the erratic weather pattern, we are also using mechanical dryers. This is the mechanical dryer. This is basically drying based on firewood as well as electric power. What we see here is the feeding of the coffee, like either cherry or parchment, whatever we get from our warehouse, which is stored in our raw material warehouse. We bring it, it's poured in this bin. It finally takes up through elevator 1 to the pre-cleaner, wherein dust, twigs, etc. are eliminated. The output is moved to the next machine, which is the destoner, wherein the stones are eliminated and the good coffee without stones, are next moved to the next machine. Next, we come to the huller, wherein the coffee is dehusked. The husk is moved out to the husk room and only coffee comes to the oscillating screen. And in the oscillating screen, whatever the unhulled are remained, that's been eliminated and again moved back to the feeding. The output is then segregated based on density, size and color. As per size of the coffee, it's been segregated mainly into 7 varieties, starting from CUs of 5 mm, 5.5, 6, 6.65, 7.1 and 7.5. The individual grades is stored in the individual bins, and as per our requirement, each individual grade of the coffee moves to the color shortex, wherein blacks, browns are eliminated as per our customers' requirements. Even the blacks, browns that also been offered in the local market, and the finished product that's been totally exported as per our customer requirements. Once the coffee is milled, graded, then we pack it as per our customer's requirement. Packing may be in jute bags, 60 kg bags, with the customer label or marks, whatever he provides us. Then this goes in 19.2 metric tons per container, 20-foot container through Mangalore port. Since we offer only free on board, so we up the risk of ours last till we load the cargo in the ship. Rest everything is taken care by our customer. The packing can be in 60 kg bags or 1 metric ton jumbo bags or 21.6 metric ton bulk bag.
From the sun-drenched fields where coffee cherries ripen to the meticulous roasting and brewing that unlock their complex flavors, coffee's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and passion. So the next time you savor that perfect cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's taken. And remember, Arya.ag is here to ensure that every step of that journey is smooth, efficient, and equitable.